Everyone, my name is Rai. Welcome at MMC. Guys, in my today's lecture, I will pronounce you lots of words. Okay, now guys, let us start. Okay, now first let me discuss all the words with phonetic symbols. So it's my humble request, guys, take a screenshot and write down all the words with phonetic symbols. Okay, and then later on I will pronounce you all the words in printed way, and second with beautiful picture. Okay, so with great patience continue the entire lecture from starting till end. Okay, now this is what, guys, promise. Repeat after me, promise. Again you repeat, promise. Next one is her. I met her, you met her, she met her, right? Next, him. Repeat after me, him. Again you repeat, him. Next one is me. Me. Again you repeat, me. Again you repeat, me. Next one is us. Again you repeat, us. Again you repeat, us. Next one is are not का short form क्या होगा? Aren't. They aren't, right? We aren't. Boys aren't. Okay, now can not का short form क्या होगा? Can't. Can you help? Sorry, I can't. 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 Right? Okay. So the next one is application. Application. What is that? Application. All right. Application. My application. Okay. All right. So the next word is absolute. 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 Okay, this is what, guys? Absolute. Okay, absolute. Absolute. Next one is cigarette. Cigarette. Again you repeat, cigarette. Next one is character. Character. Okay, now let's go for the next. Classic. Again you repeat, guys, classic. Again you repeat, classic. Classic. Next one is college. This is what? College, right? College, right? And college wala college. This is what, guys? College. My college, your college, right? और जो फ्रेंड सर्किल होती है जो एक साथ काम करते हैं उसे कॉलेज कहते हैं, right? Next one is commentary. What is this, guys? Commentary. Commentary. Again you repeat, commentary. Next one is communicate. I like to communicate with my friends. Do you love to communicate? Yes. Next, comparison. Comparison. There is no comparison between me and you. Next one is competition. Again you repeat, competition. What a competition. Next one is concentrate. Concentrate yourself. Concentrate yourself. Condition. My condition. Your condition. Next one is conference. Again you repeat, conference. Again you repeat, conference. Next one is consider. Again you repeat, consider. Consider. Next one is consumer. Consumer, right? Consumer forum. Consumer forum, right? Consumer भी लोग कहते हैं, but right pronunciation is consumer. Next one is confusion. Again you repeat, confusion. Again you repeat, confusion. Next one is continue. Again you repeat, continue. Again you repeat, continue. Next one is conscious. Again you repeat, conscious. Again you repeat, conscious. Next one is educate. Again you repeat, educate. Again you repeat, educate. Next one is excellent. 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 Again you repeat, excellent. Next one is furniture. Again you repeat, furniture. Again you repeat, furniture. Next one is geography. Geography. Again you repeat, geography. Next one is hesitate. Again you repeat, hesitate. Again you repeat, hesitate. Don't hesitate. Why are you hesitating? Next one is hydrogen. Again you repeat, hydrogen. Again you repeat, hydrogen. Next one is industry. Industry. Again you repeat, industry. Next one is innocent. How innocent you are. You are innocent. He is innocent. Vivek is innocent boy. Alright, let's go ahead. Now, with beautiful picture. And now, okay, now you will pronounce all the words and you will write all the phonetics symbols. Okay, now this is what, guys, again I am promise. Please promise me that you will not leave me. All right, guys, promise me that you will not miss my any lecture. Okay, now her, I met her, you met her, she met her. I'm pronouncing all the words again for your betterment. Okay, next one is him. I met him, you met him, she met him, all met him. All right, me. All right, meet me tomorrow. Don't meet me today, meet me tomorrow. Next one is us. Us. Again you repeat, us. Now you can see the beautiful picture of promise, right? Promise should not be broken. Maintain the promise, guys, because promise is life. Okay, next one. Now this is what आर short form क्या होगा? Aunt. They aren't, we aren't, right? Boys aren't. Next one is can't. Can you help me? Sorry, I can't. Sorry, he can't. Sorry, she can't. Sorry, they can't. Next one is application. लोग क्या कहते हैं? Application. This is what? Application. Okay, I have written a beautiful application to my father. Application to the management authority. Next one is absolute. Absolute. Absolutely. You are absolutely right. Next one is cigarette. Cigarette. Now you can see the beautiful picture of cigarette. No cigarette is smoking. No smoking. Right? Character. Your character. My character. And his character. Now next one is classic. Right? Classic. Next one is college. This is what? College. And this is what, guys? College. Right? This is a beautiful picture of University of Prayagraj. You can say University of Allahabad. Next one is commentary. Beautiful picture of commentary. Right? I love to listen commentary. Okay. Next one, communicate. I love to communicate in English. Do you love to communicate in English? Yes, I love to communicate in English. Comparison, no comparison. Okay, all right, let's go ahead. Now next one is competition. Competition is everywhere. Everywhere there's a competition. Now concentrate, guys. Concentrate yourself if you want to become a good speaker. Now condition. My condition, your condition, her condition, everyone's condition. Now conference. All right, conference. I'm going to attend conference. Are you going to attend conference? Yes, I'm going to attend the conference. Next, consider. Consider that you are a right person. Next one is consumer, right? Consumer. Consumer, right? Next, I can understand they are a consumer and now concentrating all the work. This is there and the competition is everywhere. Next one. All right, confusion. I think you have confusion, but I don't have confusion. If you have a confusion, then you cannot do anything. This gentleman has a confusion, right? If you have a confusion, then you cannot do anything. Continue. Please continue the work. Please continue the work. Please continue the work. Conscious. Be conscious. Be conscious. Next, educate. Educate yourself. Educate yourself. Excellent. All right. Now you can see that. All right. Swami Vivekananda was an excellent personality. He was an excellent person. All right. Let's go ahead. Now, furniture, right? This is a furniture. Next one is geography. Geography. I love to study geography. Now you can see beautiful picture of furniture. Now hesitate. Don't hesitate to open your mouth. Open your mouth and speak as much as you can. Next one, hydrogen. Hydrogen, right? This is the picture of hydrogen. Industry. And this is what innocent. How innocent you are. He's innocent. She's innocent. All are innocent. All right. Next one. Oh my God. So guys, I repeated all the words 2 times. It means you have to repeat 20 times. Are you ready to repeat 20 times? Yes, so I will repeat because I want to become a good speaker. Okay, now guys, this is the word conversation. Okay, conversation number 7 hai, and a very important conversation, right? Now conversation between landlord and the tenant, मकान मालिक और किराएदार के बीच का conversation है. What a fantastic conversation it is, right? देख सकते हैं आप. Landlord and tenant. This is a beautiful apartment, and now what a beautiful flat is. Next one. Okay. Now guys, suppose you are working in Lucknow. मानकर चलिए आप लखनऊ में काम कर रहे थे, and now you are transferred from Lucknow to Prayagraj. अब कहाँ ट्रांसफर हो गए आप? लखनऊ से प्रयागराज, right? Okay. And now how will you settle yourself? फिर मान लीजिए अब आपका कन्वर्सेशन है, आप हैं, बीबी बच्चे, पूरा चुन्नू मुन्नू पूरा हरा भरा परिवार है, राइट? तो और पैसे भी अच्छा कमा रहे हैं, तो आप तो अच्छा ही फ्लैट लेंगे ना, खराब तो लेंगे नहीं, बोलिए? बिल्कुल नहीं लेंगे, अच्छा फ्लैट लेंगे, अच्छी सुविधाएं चाहिए, क्योंकि पैसा है तो सुविधाएं तो चाहिए, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज अ कन्वर्सेशन विद स्ट्रेंजर. तो पहले जब हमें कहीं फ्लैट वगैरह ढूंढना होता है, हम शहर में आते हैं तो किसी अजनबी व्यक्ति से पूछते हैं कि भाई मुझे फ्लैट चाहिए, कहाँ मिल सकता है, अच्छी लोकेलिटी कहाँ है, अच्छे फ्लैट्स कहाँ अवेलेबल हैं. तो ये बंदा इनसे पूछ रहा है कि सर वे कैन आई गेट गुड फ्लैट. ओके, नाउ अब देखिए स्ट्रेंजर से वो बंदा बात करता है जिसे प्रयागराज में सेटल होना है. तो पूछ रहे हैं सर आई एम न्यू इन दिस सिटी एंड आई वांट रेंटल फ्लैट. Gentleman is asking कि सर आई एम न्यू इन दिस सिटी, आई वांट अ रेंटल फ्लैट. स्ट्रेंजर कहता ओके सर यू कैन गेट अ गुड फ्लैट बट टेल मी. ओके सर यू कैन गेट अ गुड फ्लैट बट प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज योर बजट. आपका क्या बजट है, राइट? Sir, I can spend more than 20,000. I can spend more than 20,000. Okay? Stranger. Okay, so you can get a good flat in Civil Lines. It is a good locality. Right? Stranger ने कहा कि you can get a good flat if you're ready to pay 20,000 per month. Then you can get a good flat in Civil Lines locality. Okay? Now, sir, ओके सर थैंक्स फॉर दिस काइंड हेल्प. फिर उन्होंने क्या कहा स्ट्रेंजर को, ओ सर थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस काइंड हेल्प. ओके, नाउ कॉन्वर्सेशन 2. दिस इज व्हाट कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ लैंडलॉर्ड. अब स्ट्रेंजर ने बता दिया वो सिविल लाइंस में जाके किससे बात करेंगे, लैंडलॉर्ड, राइट? अब लैंडलॉर्ड सर आई वांट रेंटल फ्लैट. हेलो सर, हेलो, I want rental flat. I want rental flat. Okay. अब landlord, okay, you want 2 BHK or 3 BHK. BHK का मतलब क्या होता है? 2 BHK में 2 bedroom, hall and kitchen. Now you can see 2 bedrooms and hall and kitchen, right? Self, अब आपको क्या चाहिए? 2 रूम का सेट चाहिए या 3 रूम का? तो मैंने कहा कि सर I want 2 BHK. I want 2 BHK. Landlord, okay, you can take 2 BHK. All right. Self, आप पूछते हैं क्या भाई फ्लैट तो लेना है तो जानकारी भी चाहिए ना. सर I want, सर what is the rent? भाई मैंने पूछा, या जिसको रेंट पे लेना उसने पूछा कि what is the rent? भैया किराया कितना है? Right, landlord ने कहा the rent is only 20,000. The rent is only 20,000. Oh my God. सेल्फ आदत होती है ना कुछ, सर 20,000 इज टू हाई. 20,000 एक फ्लैट का तो बहुत ज्यादा है. इससे पहले भाव मार रहे थे, राइट? ओके, प्लीज गिव मी सम कंसेशन. अरे सर कुछ कंसेशन कर दीजिए, देख रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम है, समस्याएं हैं, लाइक दैट। लैंडलॉर्ड, सॉरी डियर, इफ यू वांट फैसिलिटीज, अगर आपको वास्तव में सुविधाएं चाहिए तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू पे द अमाउंट, सो प्लीज गिव मी 50% एडवांस इफ यू वांट, राइट। उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, जब आपको फ्लैट लेना है तो और सारी सुविधा भी चाहिए तो आपको यू हैव टू पे द अमाउंट, ओके। Now, if you do not want to pay the handsome amount, so you can take flat anywhere. Okay, self. Okay, sir. Please tell me what are the facilities you are providing. भाई टेनेंट ने पूछा, अच्छा ठीक है भाई, you are taking 20,000, तो what are the facilities you are providing? Okay, तो बताइए भाई आप सुविधाएं क्या दे रहे हैं, right? Now, अब लैंडलॉर्ड बता रहे हैं I am providing you many facilities. हम आपको तो हर सुविधाएं दे रहे हैं, क्या क्या? Filtered water, 24 hours security guard, 24 hours electricity, doctor on call, parking, garden, children, banquet hall, swimming pool and all. Means मकान मालिक ने कहा I will provide you 24 hours electricity, filtered water, 24 hours security guard, doctor on call, parking facilities and many more. Self, sir, अब देखिए क्या है, अब आपने कमरा ले लिया, अब आप सेटल हो गए हैं, आप कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ पड़ोसी मतलब नेबर के साथ, राइट। कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ नेबर, पड़ोसी के साथ क्या क्या पूछेंगे, भाई आप नए हैं, आपको कोई जानकारी ही नहीं है, तो सर या मैडम स्वादानुसार जैसे भी जो लोग हैं वैसे बोलना, सर मैम, मैम आई एम न्यू इन दिस सिटी, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस, सर मैं कुछ नहीं जानता, मैडम कुछ नहीं जानता, मुझे इस शहर के बारे में बता दीजिए, राइट। नेबर ने ओके सर, डोंट वरी, आई विल हेल्प यू, आप चिंता मत करिए सर, मैं आपकी पूरी मदद करूंगा, राइट। सेल्फ ने कहा इज देयर एनी शॉपिंग मॉल, सर क्या यहाँ पे कोई शॉपिंग मॉल है, इज देयर एनी शॉपिंग मॉल। अब देखिए कितने बढ़िया सुंदर सुंदर शॉपिंग मॉल्स के फोटोज आ गए, oh my god, what a beautiful shopping mall, right? Sir, there are many shopping malls, like there are many shopping malls like Big Bazaar, Pantaloon, Max, VCC, Vinayak City Center, Unique Bazaar, many more shopping malls are in Prayagraj, okay? All right, now you can see the beautiful picture of very beautiful picture of shopping mall, okay? फिर पूछते हैं sir, is there any park, is there any park, a good park? तो नेबर ने कहा अरे सर, there are so many beautiful parks, there are many parks like Company Garden, Hathi Park, Minto Park, okay, and Bharadwaj Park. You can see the beautiful picture of parks, okay, so everyone likes to go in the park. The next one is now, sir, is there any temple, because my wife, my children are very religious and I'm also religious, right? फिर उन्होंने कहा there are many temples like देखिए बड़े हनुमान जी, right, अलोपी देवी temple, and this is also means Naga Basuki temple, right? There are so many, Mankameshwar temple, there are so many temples in Prayagraj, okay. Now so guys, let's go ahead. फिर उन्होंने पूछा sir, is there any good hospital in Prayagraj? उन्होंने कहा yes, there are many good hospitals like Saruparani Hospital, Belly Hospital, Parvati Hospital, Jeevan Jyoti Hospital, right? And Srujan Hospital, Kamala Nehru Hospital, Nazareth Hospital. So there are many famous hospitals are in Prayagraj, okay? Now next one. Now sir, is there any good school? I have 2 children, I want to educate my children in a good school. Now sir, there are many good schools for your children like BHS, GHS, St. Anthony, St. Joseph, Holy Trinity, Jagat Taran, so many colleges are here, okay? All right, so guys, I think I discussed you about this conversation. I'm quite sure guys you enjoyed and you liked all these things. So guys, if you really liked something, please like the video, and if you did not like, right, power is in your hand because you are my judge. So please share this video to your friends and near dear one, and guys, please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please press the bell icon so you will be notified with our latest videos. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind all, and good day all, and take care all. Thank you.